Barbecue. Yes. Aywa. Aywa, too much or daw. Today is party. Kapta. Kasi guys ha. May. Side order, french fries guys ha. Yes. It's one fettuccine ready. I waiting the appetizer guys ha. Yes. Patus. More salad coming now guys. Ha? This is more customer now, you see. Patus now is ready. Yes guys. Barbecue is ready now. Barbecue is ready now, you see. He arranged now the barbecue. Uy, mapipunta ta sawa-sawa. Guys ha. I prefer my fettuccine guys ha. Together fettuccine. You see? Yan guys, ready. Ready all guys ha. Now I'm plating the pasta. I'm plating the fettuccine Italian pasta guys ha. Yes. Now is more busy, more preparation together work. Guys ha. Ready guys? Guys ready ha? All ready. Wow, you see guys ha? Fettuccine is ready. More order. Yan.
Isang grill. Kalas.
Isang grill.
Tapos wala pang hummus.
One hummus ha bebe? Bagi hummus? Aywa. Nasaan si Pakistani?
Naka-break ang
One. Saka nag-break eh. Isa lang. Akin na nga yung ano. Ilan ba yan?
Kubos na lang kulang sa nain.
Bebe, kubos. Finish na yan ha. Oh, another guys ha. Together brownies, you give brownies? You have order brownies ha? On the bread hada, like bread. Oh, ada ready guys. Wow. Now, kapta ready guys ha. Ada, I like it hada guys. Kapta.
Kupta माफी खड़ा
Wow. Very nice.
माफी
The arrangement. You see?
too much माफी आके guess
This is make good ha. You see the kapta.
all friend like subscribe channel
You see?
hello this is big shop my friend chef Eric all hello
Hintay mo na to.
and black sauce black sauce ta jana okay
Bebe,
kala black sauce black sauce class
black sauce what name ada? Molasses. See here, baby. Put molasses on the top. Finish ha. Give. Cold appetizer ha. What hada? Appetizer. Yan guys, ready na yung ating appetizer ha. Cold appetizer. Yes guys ha. Kayo ha. Cold appetizer guys ha. Finish?
no please
Finish ha? Only bread ha? Thank you guys for watching.